Hello everyone. In this video, you will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is how to create a system table in QlikView. So as I have loaded our data, you can see over here. I click on File, go to Edit Script. So this is nothing but the load. So I have loaded our data of office city sales basically. I click on OK. Go to this particular reload button so that we can see that the data is being loaded. Go to this QlikView document, click on New Sheet object, and at the last you can finding this particular system table. Click on this particular system table so that this particular system table is going to appear. So it is going to show you the field names. These are the field names that can be seen. Whatever will be the field names are there, so it can be seen over here. So this is by default created. If you are going in this particular properties, so you can see over here different territories. So likewise, this is the system table which is being created. I hope you have understood how to create a system table. Thanks for watching.